So when we talk about audio quality, I have to say that it's not the best. Even like when you compare it with like cheaper speakers, I do think this one, when it's about the audio side, it lags a little bit in the lower levels. I do have to say it sounds very clear, and what I really like, and that's something Bang & Olufsen really does great, is of course the build quality. It's fully metal except the feet, that's rubber, so it keeps on one place. On the upper side is also rubber, but the body is metal. And I do have to say that the build quality is great. It's not the best in sound, I would say, especially for the price, because there's also the special version. I kind of think it's really for the people that like design more than the best audio quality. See you guys in the next one.
Keep it on the level, keep it on the level.